Welcome back here to Punta Cana. All you can see. Adventure was calling and we were following. I took my tent. Bernardo is up there. He took his tent and we left Bávaro. We left the touristy area to come here to spend the night in the countryside. Actually, we wanted to go more over there, but the way up here, oh man. Let me show you. Let me show you how we got here. That first part of the road was like expected. I knew we would have to cross the pasture here where also are cows, that we have to cross the river, which is actually very nice and refreshing. We brought a little too much things and thank God Doro helped us to carry them up. We were followed by one of the village dogs and Letitia's little dog. That's Larcy, and you can see him swimming over the river there. That was the easy part. Thankfully, Doro's mother-in-law sent her brother with a horse to help us carry our stuff uphill. And also Letizia could ride with him. Yep. This here was the absolute unexpected part. Mud. I had to take off my shoes. They're so full of mud and they're inside so slippery I just can't walk. So now I'm barefoot. It's up a steep hill, but the view is so beautiful that it's really worth it. If you don't have to go barefoot. I've been here once before with Gabi from Gabi's Ranch, horseback riding in the mountains, and that's when I decided that one day I want to come back and spend the night up here in the hills looking down to the village. It's so beautiful. To realize the little difference between dreaming about something and actually instead of taking a horse, walking up here in the heat with all your camping gear. I am at the point where I question my life choices. Why did I want to go here? Why did I want to camp up in the mountains and walk there? I don't remember. Still walking barefoot, no shoes. And this is the trail. Oh. There Dodo comes. Oh, for my salvation. Bist du drin? This is not the place we are planning to stay, but it belongs to the same family. Thank God. Ya caminamos suficiente. Yeah, after this travel, we made a break here, and it's the same family, it's not the same property, but it's the same family. And they said like, well, you know, you can also spend the night here. You don't have to walk further. And we gladly took the opportunity to just stay here. And it's beautiful. Look at this. Disconnect for a night. I'm hoping for a lot of stars. Our transport help is on the way back into the valley, and I'm gonna put on my tent now if I still remember how. My tent is very small and has only 2 poles, yet it is big enough for my stuff and myself to sleep outside, and I'm very, very happy that it's easy to carry and easy to put up. Not as fast as it could have been, but there it is. Let's take a little room tour. That must be the bathroom. Perfecto. Wow, that's luxury camping. Muy bien. Oh, when we first came, this was closed here, but now the guy that had been here, he opened it for us. That's so cute. That's so nice. They do have excursions that come here And this is actually where people sit and have lunch. Kitchen is there. This is closed, understand. Just in case we're gonna have rain tonight, we can sleep as well under the roof. Oh, look. I love these gardens. Homemade chili con carne carried up the hill, and red wine as well carried up the hill for dinner.
Salut auf den Sonnenschein.
A little light. I just closed the mosquito nets. We are at a sleep already. It's very exciting for her, the climb up here, and for me too, by the way, and for Bernardo. We have been sitting outside, and you just hear the animals that live close here. We heard goats and cows, and we had a lot of lightning bugs. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. We had a little bit of lightning over there, but well, we'll see. We are in a tent. I can close everything, and if it's a bad rain, we can go under the roof. And now we're turning off the light and sleep, and I see you again in the morning. Good night. Bernardo is already making a fire so that we can make coffee out here. You maybe wonder why we don't have one of these practical little gas stoves, but the gas is really hard to get here for these little camper stoves. And on this one, we actually can burn everything. You can use it as a barbecue, you can burn wood or whatever you have handy. So this is why we carried it. I would prefer a little gas stove, but we just don't have it here yet. neighbors having breakfast. Over here we have a cacao plant. It's still a baby, no fruits, but this is how they look. Up there is a really big avocado growing. Let's see what else there is growing here. Coconuts, of course. It's full of mango trees. There is a little one. And there is a big one. This one there. Another mango tree. Another mango tree. That's, I think, bananas, but cooking bananas. Plátano. Under the mango tree. Here's one. And there are more. I've already seen a lot of them here hanging in the tree over there. Over there. A lot of them. Neighbors are working already on the livestock.
Hola.
Buen día.
Yeah.
Let's check out the area a little bit. This is where we camped. Ground of a very nice family. You know, it's a good idea to ask, not only come and put your tent here, but hardly anyone will say no. I mean, they're not here, so this is, the property is there, and they just come here to work. They don't live here. If someone's living there, maybe it's different, but just by just to use the property, most of the people would say like, yeah, go ahead, ask, and then I think it's no problem. Oh my God, what a view. These are our neighbor cows, or they're not cows, they're bulls. Good morning. Hola, precioso. Macht denn da so ein Krach? Someone is making a noise here. Okay. Oh my God, look at this. It's so beautiful. I'm not going there. This is a place where I planned to stay. That would have been another uphill and another downhill. And yesterday in the evening with the heat and the sun, I just couldn't do it. But the view as well from there is stunning. Same valley. There's a little hut where we stayed. There's someone really is complaining. Oh, what's going on here? Buenos días.
Buenos días, ¿y usted?
Excelente. ¿Qué hacen? Hay una afuera.
No. Esa vaca yo creo que esa vaca donde
everything packed. It's only shortly after 8, but it's so hot. We're sweating already and don't want to go down the hill when the sun is full out. They also have predicted a rainy day today, so we really don't want to walk this in the rain. And yeah, that's why we're all packed up and leaving the mountain downhill. Well, first up, then down again.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna
We are the only ones walking here.
Ouch.
Really, the only ones. Everybody else is on a horse or on a muli or on a donkey.
I don't think so.
Nobody else is walking.
Buen día. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it.
I got stuck in the mud, so the knee slipped, fell, and this is how I look. Now I'm taking a bath.
It'll all work out. Until then, nope. A nope. A nope.
Bikini or not,
Nope.
I'm going into the water now,
A nope.
taking a bath.
Nope. A nope. Probably never, ever, ever,
Woo.
ever, ever gonna happen. Oh,
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked our stay here in the countryside, overnight camping in the Dominican Republic. See you next time here or somewhere else. So we get going now.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la, y la casa de la bachata.